If your knees, hips, or hands are in frequent pain, listen up. Today we're breaking down 5 simple, science-backed habits that can ease joint pain without fancy supplements or expensive gear. Also, start out simple by making one change at a time. For some of you, you may get relief after only doing 1 or 2 of the good habits. But all of the tips are overall good habits to become healthier. I'll even share my own story. My knee pain once got so bad I needed help just to get up off the floor. But after following some simple habits, I can get up easily now, and I'm even back on the elliptical at the gym. So, if your knees go snap crackle pop, this video is for you. The first simple habit supported by medical research is doing gentle movements. Gentle daily movements like yoga, tai chi, walking, cycling, or swimming all help to keep your joints lubricated and flexible. Before even getting out of bed, I lubricate my knee joints by doing 30 seconds of air cycling with my legs up in the air and pretend I am riding a bicycle. Also important is doing some strength training twice a week. It builds stability around the joints and reduces the pain. Research shows that yoga, resistance training, and balance work can improve knee and hip pain in just 8 to 12 weeks. So be patient and give it some time. If climbing stairs is painful right now, then start here with gentle movements. Simple habit number 2 is losing some weight by eating more protein and veggies. If you've got both joint pain and need to lose a few extra pounds, then this is key. Every pound you lose takes nearly 4 pounds of pressure off your hips, knees, and ankles. So listen up. If you are 20 pounds overweight, which is not uncommon, then you have an extra 80 pounds of pressure on your knees when walking or using stairs. Ouch. Imagine if you are 50 pounds overweight. You're talking 200 pounds of extra pressure on your knee joints. Studies show that diet and exercise together can significantly reduce knee pain. So make sure every meal includes a decent amount of protein, about 2 fist sizes of various veggies, and a big glass of water. Here is a bonus tip on losing weight. 20 minutes before a meal, eat an apple with a glass of water. It creates a sense of fullness, but you have to wait 20 minutes for the signals to reach the brain to register a sense of fullness. Check out the book titled The 3-a-Day Apple Plan. So, if standing up feels like lifting a backpack of bricks, this habit can lighten your pain. Next up at number 3 is using the Mediterranean diet for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Eat plenty of olive oil, fish, veggies, beans, and nuts. It's nature's anti-inflammatory pharmacy. Studies link the Mediterranean diet to lower joint pain, better mobility, and healthier weight. Add lots of colorful foods to your plate, and your joints will thank you. So, if your grocery cart looks a boring beige-brown color, try adding lots of color this week. Moving on to habit number 4. Getting proper sleep. You may have noticed that poor sleep increases your pain. Science has proven this. Less sleep leads to more inflammation and more sensitivity to pain. It's a vicious cycle. But simple bedtime rituals can help, like doing some deep breathing at bedtime. Try sitting on the edge of the bed or lying down, with the lights dimmed or turned off. Take in 10 slow, deep breaths. Then in your mind, think of the things you are grateful for. Remember, as the saying goes, it could always be worse. This little ritual can calm your brain and reduce the perception of your pain. So, if your pain feels worse after getting only a few hours of sleep, then start by fixing your sleep, not just your knees. And finally, simple habit number 5. Get more omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. Lots of research has shown that omega-3 fats from salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax help turn off the inflammatory pathways that create inflammation. Less inflammation means less pain. In people with rheumatoid arthritis, omega-3s have been shown to reduce stiffness and swelling in the joints. Start simple by eating fish twice a week. Or talk to your clinician about omega-3 supplements if you are taking lots of medication. If morning stiffness is your joint enemy, then adding both omega-3s plus habit number 1 of gentle exercises can be a game changer. So to recap, the 5 helpful habits, here they are again. 1. Exercise by moving daily and doing some strengthen exercises at least twice a week. 2. Eat more protein with plenty of colorful vegetables. 3. Try the Mediterranean diet. 4. Get enough restful sleep and learn to relax. 5. And finally, boost your quantity of omega-3s. Remember, I went from needing help off the floor to getting back on the elliptical. One habit at a time. You can too. I hope some of these tips give you some relief, and I would really love to hear what has helped you. If you enjoyed this video, then check out our other videos on joint pain and better health.
Thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful, then help us out by hitting the like button and subscribe for more health tips. While you are here, click on the link above to see the next science-backed health video. So, until next time, take care.